imagine that you've got these extensive systems out there reaching out to millions and millions of citizens. A daunting task, no doubt, as you work on that modernization journey to fulfill that promise to all the citizens, right? Give us the state of the state.
Well, thank you, Luke. I would tell you, we are still using that momentum that the COVID-19 pandemic sparked. And, the first 10 months of the pandemic brought about 10 years of accelerated modernization at SSA.
Mm-hmm.
In March of 2020, our primary way to serve the customer was face-to-face. And so, modernization helped create new ways, new adaptive ways to service the customer. And today, many of those services can be delivered through our digital channels. And most of our customers prefer to transact business with us online or through mobile devices. So one of the things we have done, if you haven't had a chance to go to ssa.gov, we just redesigned our website. We wanted to make it more easy to navigate for customers. It was really spurred by our CX effort. And it's a task-based approach. And we really took a customer-centric approach, and we did the customer end-to-end journey when we developed that. So those new pages and improvements are based on public feedback, and we will continue to kind of iterate on that. But we also manage the system that ensures the right payment get to the right person at the right time, and all of us on the show today one day are going to benefit from that. So, but those systems are in terrible need of modernization. So to accelerate that, we established a benefits modernization PMO. Their focus is on to modernize those core applications, those core systems, to make them more internet, mobile, accessible, and to answer the needs of our employees who are processing that information. So we're really focusing on our retirement, survivors, and disability systems, our supplemental security income systems, and our Medicare application systems to modernize, and we want to accelerate that. So we recently announced an executive position, if you follow me on LinkedIn, for a chief program officer for that position. So we're looking for a new approach to modernize those systems and looking for some good candidates. We also continue to do other strategic modernization planning to include looking at platforms. We're moving from project to product framework. We're looking to enhance our security, our databases, our structures. And over the past 2 years, Luke, we have continued to evaluate and retire technical debt, right? But what's really driving us to determine which technical debt to target is really a human-centered approach, and that points us to those priorities that we want to focus on. But we're very pleased at some of the progress that we made. We eliminated over 185,000 lines of COBOL code.
Nice.
We continue to do that, and that's going to be a key focus for that new benefits program management office to modernize that and put that on a cloud-based platform. But a lot more work to do, Luke.
Sure, it's